here I am with another recipe, how to make mango lassi. All kids love mango and curd is also good for our health. So why we not make a twist with them? So let's get started. First of all, we have to put some sugar in blender. You can add according to your taste. Now we will blend the sugar. So guys, I have blended the sugar. So now we will add our mango. It is looking so yummy. So guys, now blend it. Guys, we have to make a puree. Now put 2 bowls of curd in it. Now put 1 glass of water. Now blend it. So guys, now put some ice cubes in it. So guys, now it's time to serve it. Guys, now put some mango in the jar or glass. Now add our mango lassi. So look guys, our mango lassi is ready. Now enjoy.